Introduction. Privatization. The concept of privatization is used in narrow as well as in broader sense. In narrow sense, privatization means transfer of ownership from public to private sector. In broader sense, it means the introduction of private management and control without change in ownership of public enterprise. In simple words, privatization refers to the process that reduces the involvement of public sector and increases the private sector economic activities. According to economist D.R. Paintsey, privatization is a process which reduces the involvement of the state or public sector in country's economic activities. According to economist Peter Drucker, disinvestment of public sector units by the government is called privatization. For the purpose of privatization, the government has adopted the path of disinvestment. Though the process of privatization started since new economic policy in 1991, it is as old as Adam Smith's Wealth of Nations, published in 1776. In this book, he mentions about laissez-faire policy, that is minimum intervention of government in market economy. This was nothing but privatization. Measures taken for privatization. India has taken following measures for privatization. Means to privatize the Indian economy. The deservation policy, establishment of BIFR means Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, creation of NRB, National Renewal Board, Navratna status, and disinvestment. Now let's study the reservation policy. Under privatization, the number of industries reserved for public sector has been reduced. Now, except 3 industries, all other industries are reserved and opened for private sector, that is railways, energy, mineral industry, etc. Establishment of BIFR, Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, has been set up to take decisions regarding 6 public sector units, SPSUS. The board studies whether there is possibility of revival of sick units or not. If not, they are allowed to wind up or privatize. The creation of NRB. When loss-making public sector undertakings are closed, workers have to face the problem of unemployment. Therefore, National Renewal Board is set up to take care of retrenched workers. The board also provides compensation to the employees who take voluntary retirement. 4. The Navratna status. On the basis of strategic importance and performance, the 9 public enterprises were selected to give the status of Navratnas, as the Navratnas were in Akbar's court. They are given fully financial and managerial freedom to make global giants. Those are Indian Oil Corporation, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Indian Petroleum Corporation Limited, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, and the Steel Authority of India, and the last, National Thermal Power Corporation. 5th, disinvestment. The most important step undertaken to reform the public sector is disinvestment. It means the government decide to sell equity capital of public sector undertakings to privatize these individuals. Private corporate bodies and the financial institutions in India, disinvestment is undertaken as a fiscal need. It means money is raised through disinvestment to reduce financial deficit.